Hey everybody, I'm Scott and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper, and today I am in downtown Naperville, Illinois, along the Riverwalk for fall. It is gorgeous. I hope you'll join me. Thank you so much for joining me on this gorgeous morning in downtown Naperville along the Riverwalk, especially in the fall. It is just gorgeous. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.